Honor, Huawei's subsidiary brand, is jumping into the gaming smartphone segment with the launch of Honor Play. While Asus, Razer, and Xiaomi's Black Shark target the premium gaming phone market, the Honor Play is aimed at the more affordable gaming segment. Hey, what's up guys, David here. It's good to see you all again. And today we're going to look at a $300 Honor Play. This phone packs in a little new technology called the GPU Turbo. Vroom, 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 vroom. Kind of like the turbo for your car, but this one for a GPU, you know? To give a little more detail, it increases the efficiency of the graphics processing unit, allowing the smartphones to run intensive games more smoothly. According to Huawei and the Honor, this technology will boost the performance by up to 60%. You can see how I'm getting a very impressive 60 FPS on this massive online multiplayer battle game. Well, hold on a minute before we get too excited. You see, Honor and Huawei in general hasn't exactly been known for having good graphics. This right here is a huge improvement. But still, 60 FPS isn't something new, and this phone, you're not going to compete it with a proper gaming smartphone that's built from the ground up for gaming, like the Asus ROG, which is a proper professional gaming smartphone. Also, for mobile gaming addicts, graphics is not the only thing they're looking for. You need good heat management, stable internet connection, responsive UI, fast charging, which is very important, and a whole lot more. If you're a pro mobile gamer, you probably should go for something better. Honor Play is merely a consumer-level gaming smartphone. I'd really recommend to look at this phone just as a $300 smartphone rather than what the brand has marketed itself to be, the quote-unquote gaming phone. And the look of it! Look at the tasty metallic purple. It doesn't look 300 at all. I'd guess it to be 500 or 700 if I didn't know any better. Sitting on top of the screen, we have a notch, but it's 2018. Most of the other phones have notch, and we're probably used to this by now. On the back, we have the rear cameras in vertical alignments and a fingerprint scanner where it should be, just kind of naturally where your finger would place at. And just overall, it's got that 2018 smartphone design. On the bottom here, we have a Type-C port and the 3.5mm audio jack. I hate using adapters, so this right here, good stuff. In terms of tech specs, the Honor Play runs on Kirin 970 chipset with 4 gigs or 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of internal storage. Dual 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel rear cameras, 16 megapixel front-facing selfie cam, and 6.3-inch display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2340. It's powered by a 3750 milliamp battery. That's it for today's reviews, guys. Is it worth it? At the end of the day, the best smartphone is the one that suits your need. So don't forget to like our video, share, and subscribe. Until next time.